Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with page number 123. So in last video we have seen a ramp. What is the use of a ramp? Now see, blind people can read and write by using their sense of touch. Blind people जो होते वो भी लिख सकते पढ़ सकते कैसे? With the help of the sense of touch. Okay? उन्हें ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है कि कैसा लिखना है, कैसा पढ़ना है. दिस सिस्टम ऑफ राइटिंग इज कॉल्ड ब्रेली. व्हाट इट इज कॉल्ड? ब्रेली. नाउ ब्रेली मीन्स व्हाट? ब्रेली शोज द कैरेक्टर्स मेक यूज ऑफ रेज्ड डॉट्स. डॉट्स होते हैं, रेज्ड डॉट्स होते हैं, क्रिएटेड ऑन पेपर. पेपर पे बनाए जाते हैं. ईच कैरेक्टर हैज़ अ फिक्स्ड नंबर. हर एक कैरेक्टर को, फॉर एग्जाम्पल ए, तो ए के लिए एक फिक्स नंबर होगा और एक फिक्स अरेंजमेंट ऑफ डॉट्स होगा. A blind person can read the paper by filling these raised dots. However, all the books written in ordinary script are not available in Braille. All the ordinary books, they are not available in Braille language. Blind persons can listen to the stories if they are read out. Now blind people, they can also listen the stories. Now here you can see in the first picture, the girl, she is reading out a story book for a blind person. Okay, and in the second picture you can see they are playing the chess game. Now see try this. Write your name using the Braille characters given below. Here you can see in the picture they have given us Braille characters. Tell us your friend's name using the signs in the sign language. Now see the Braille character. Here you can see the fixed dots are seen here and for fixed characters. For A, C, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. So these are all letters A to Z. So in this way they have shown, or they can feel the touch, or with the help of the sense they can see the letters, or they can feel the letters and see the numbers how they have written. So this is a Braille script for the blind people. And see here, it is the sign language for the blind people, a sign language used in India for the blind people. Here they have shown us the letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Till A to Z, they have shown us how do they speak in sign language. Means these are the signs of that letters. Now people who cannot hear using sign language, they are also taught how to lip read to follow what other people are saying. Those who cannot understand the sign language, for them they are given the training of lip reading, through which they can understand what the other people are saying. They can follow other people's speech if they speak slowly and clearly. Special sign news programs are broadcast on television for people who cannot hear. So special type of news programs are broadcast on the television for the people who cannot hear. Now do you know, Sudha Chandran is an expert Bharatanatyam dancer. She lost a leg in an accident. However, even when with an artificial leg, she continues to dance and act with great determination. Ravindra Jain is blind. See, Ravindra Jain is blind. He has composed music. Even if he is blind, he has composed a music for many movies and television programs. He has also received many awards for his music. Sharad Gaikwad is disabled in one hand. However, he has made the country famous worldwide in swimming competition. He do not have one hand, but also he is famous for worldwide for swimming. Now what we have learned from this chapter, that being sensitive is understanding the difficulties of the people in our family and locality and helping them when needed. We must treat old people, patients, and those with special needs with care and respect. If we are sensitive, our capacity to help others increases. Okay? In this way, we have finished with this chapter. Thank you.